Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can check it out on iPhone about your phone. So let's get started. Open up your settings in your iPhone and then scroll up and you will see over here generals. Click on that and then you will see on the top about. Once you click on that, you will find your all the necessary data or like your phone name, iOS or model number over here, serial number, and your storage over here, bunch of things over here. So you can check it out over here. So that's how you can do it or like check it out. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.